Hello everyone! We are here today for a second lesson, repetition. In our last class, we talked about the importance of interest in the learning process. Today, we're going to talk about something equally important, repetition. To understand the importance of these two, we first got to know we have different neurons for short-term memory and for long-term memory. The short-term memory is the one we use and soon after we forget, to clean space for new information. It's like the cell phone number someone tells you and you forget just after typing. Or that content you decorate for a test, but when you pass, you barely remember. This kind of memory is very important for our daily life. You would be crazy really fast if you only had long-term memory. By the other hand, the long-term neurons keep information for extended periods. But it's not so simple to put things on these neurons. In fact, there's a process for that. Every time you see information that calls your interest, your brain creates a little bit of path from your short-term memory to your long-term memory. To create connection between them, an average of 7 repetitions are necessary. But it can't be repetitions that you ignore. They need to matter for you in order to create real connection. So, repeats necessary, but it needs to be non-repetitive repetitions. We'll need to join the interest of the first class with the concept of repetition of this class. If you learn a new word, you should be watchful for different uses of these words. Put it in your daily life and say it every time you can, until it's part of your personal vocabulary. Another way to practice repetition with pleasure is to translate, listen and sing your favorite songs. They are an excellent way to build path to long-term memory. You can also watch your favorite movies and series how many times you want.
How you doing?
Okay.
What? Oh dear God!
Repeat the lines you like and so on. The important thing is to understand you cannot really learn something seeing it just one time. So if you want to learn, don't be ashamed. Repeat until it's part of you. For our next class, we'll talk about the understanding and speaking areas of the brain. Why so many people can understand but total block on speaking, or can speak but don't get what native says. We will see that next class. Para fazer minha propaganda, eu vou falar em português. Caso você tenha interesse em fazer aulas particulares comigo, entre em contato pelo link aqui embaixo para agendar seu horário. See you until next class.